Today, we're jumping on another viral TikTok food trend. Hi, I'm Annie from KetoFocus.com, and today I've teamed up with ChalkZero, and I'm gonna show you how to make a keto raindrop cake. Let's get started. Now these raindrop cakes look just like raindrops because we're gonna be making like a gelatin base, and you can put anything you want inside, from edible flowers to fruit, even some chocolate chips if you wanted, shreds of coconut, whatever you wanna put inside, you name it. But they're called raindrops because traditionally they're clear and it looks like a giant raindrop, but we can color them too, or even add some heavy cream to make them opaque. To get started, we're gonna add 1 1/3 cups of water to a saucepan, along with 2½ teaspoons of agar powder and 1/2 cup of powdered sweetener. You wanna mix this together until it's dissolved, and we're gonna heat it over medium-high heat. Once it starts to boil, we're gonna remove it from the heat, and then we're gonna stir in ChalkZero's vanilla syrup. Their syrups are sugar-free and sugar alcohol-free. This is gonna add some vanilla flavor as well as some mild sweetness too. You could use some of their other flavors, like if you wanted to try maple or strawberry, some of their seasonal flavors. The only one I probably wouldn't use is chocolate, just because the consistency is a little bit different. And then you're also gonna add another 1 1/3 cup of water. Stir that all together, and I'm gonna separate this out into 3 bowls. So one of my bowls I'm gonna keep clear because I actually wanna make just a traditional raindrop cake. The other 2 I'm gonna add some color to. I'm gonna make these ones more of an opaque color, so I'm gonna add 1/4 cup of heavy cream to each of these bowls, along with some food coloring. So one I'm gonna make purple and the other I'm gonna make green. The next step is to pour these into your molds. Now I'm using a silicone half-moon shaped mold, and you just wanna pour enough to fill the top. You can add in some edible flowers, like I said, some sliced fruit, or just leave them plain. And then we're gonna put these in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes or until they're set. Now, if while you're making these, you notice that your Jell-O mixture actually starts to harden in the pan or your bowl, that's no problem. Just put it back in your saucepan and heat it on medium-high heat just to help it dissolve again, start over, and then add it to your mold. These make super fun cakes. You can top them with whipped cream. They are so delicious. You have to try this recipe. Make sure you tag us, ChalkZero, with all of your photos of your sugar-free raindrop cakes.